these video tutorials, I'll show you how you can enable a Bitlocker on your Windows 11 machine to prevent unauthorized access to your local drive files. One may ask, what is a Bitlocker? A Bitlocker is a Windows disk encryption feature that provides encryption for entire volume to prevent unauthorized access to file or user data. So let's dive in. Hello, my name is Sakode. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can encrypt your local drive on your Windows 11 machine. So to begin, the taskbar, click on File Explorer, then choose this PC. Then select the drive that you want to enable encryption. Choose it, then rewrite. Then put the password and click on Next. It will prompt you to save the recovery password. You can choose to save it on your Microsoft Drive, or you can print it. You need to save it on a pen drive, or you can choose to print. Then you keep a printout. Choose to print PDF form. This will allow you to save it on your local drive so that you can move it on to a pen drive. Click on Activate to activate Bitlocker recovery on your local drive. So that you need to reboot your machine. If you are new to this channel and you are not yet subscribed, then click on the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon so that you do not miss our next video. Thank you.